Hello and welcome to Puerto Rico English News. Welcome all travelers to Puerto Rico. I am Mississippi Cynthia, and today we are going to show you a small trip to El Hippie. El Hippie is spelled H-I-P-P-I, like a hippie, but it's called El Hippie. It's in the National Forest, El Yunque National Rainforest in Puerto Rico. And it's absolutely free to go there, so I highly recommend this day trip. I hope you enjoy it. Please like the video and subscribe. If you do, there's more to come. Thanks for joining us. Bye.